How to set financial goals. Start by taking care of the basics. Budgeting and building up savings for unexpected emergencies are essential. Make sure your budget is realistic and not too restrictive. Leverage technology like YNAB or Mint, or use tools like Excel or pen and paper. Connect each of your financial goals to a deeper motivation. Think about who each goal will benefit. For example, setting up a trust may be linked to a deeper motivation to provide security for your family. You can't tackle all your goals at once. Consider timeframes and importance to prioritize them. This will help you stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Take inventory of what you have and what you need for each goal. Document your income sources and expenses to get a clear picture. Knowing how much money you can allocate to different goals each month gives you direction. Break down your ultimate end goal into smaller, more achievable ones. These micro goals will keep your momentum going strong while keeping the big picture in mind. Think about who each goal will benefit. Regularly revisit them to ensure they're still aligned with your actions and motivations. Stay on track by regularly reviewing,